Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Here's another SL500. This one is 2003. It's here because it got ABC delete, or like ABC conversion to coilovers. We installed silver Neomax coilover kit on it. This kit does not have sway bars, but it does have full adjustability on the coilovers, and it feels very nice quality, very nicely made kit. This car has 111,000 miles on it. It does have some pretty large 22-inch wheels on it. There's the interior. It's actually in very good condition. The paint is beautiful. I've seen it before when it was nice and clean, but now it's been sitting for a couple of months prior to this repair, so it got kind of dirty. But usually it's in very nice kept condition. The owner keeps it in very good clean condition. I'm not sure what kind of wheels are these. To me they're oversized, but to each his own. And I do love the design of the SL. Personally, I'm a big fan of 215 CLs, but this body style is probably the second in line in my favorites of this era of Mercedes. So the kit was pretty good to install. There's no issues. That this car kept the old ABC pump, didn't get a conversion. Let's open the hood. We just got a bypass from the ABC, and it works. There's no leaks, nothing. Originally it had a line that was messed up, and the owner got fed up with the ABC issues and decided to go with this route, which I kind of agree with him. At this point, it's just throwing money at the ABC. With this one, you're just done with it. If it's just a cruiser, it's fine. And it has pretty good adjustability, and actually it drives surprisingly really well. I'm all for the kit with the sway bars, but hey, if it works and you're just gonna use it as a cruiser, I think it's fine. If it was a 55 car, I would definitely go with the kit with the sway bars. Okay, let's lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Okay, here's a look at the bottom of the car. The covers are already on. I cleaned them up, they were pretty oily. This car does have a little bit of transmission leak. Gonna most likely take care of it next time. I did adjust the coilovers where it sits kind of where it should be. We'll adjust it again in a few weeks once it settles down a little more. There are the exhausts. Looks like there was some kind of a work done here. Some welding going on. There's the differential. Can't really see the axles. A little bit dark today, sorry. Overall, just your standard SL500. The kit just bolts right up to where original shocks are supposed to go. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There's more videos to come soon.